Are you looking for the best rollerblades for men? In this video we will look at some of the best rollerblades for men on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rollerblade Men's Advantage Pro. The Rollerblade Men's Advantage Pro is a specially designed pair of rollerblades that cater to new skaters, offering an optimal combination of comfort, control, and stability, all at an affordable price point. These rollerblades are imported and come with features that make them an excellent choice for those who are just beginning to explore the world of inline skating. One of the standout features of the Rollerblade Men's Advantage Pro is its supportive shell. The Rollerblade's design focuses on providing additional foot support and enhanced balance, crucial aspects for novice skaters who are still developing their skating skills. This feature helps users gain confidence and maintain a stable posture while skating. To ensure a comfortable fit, the rollerblades come with a padded liner. This liner not only provides cushioning for added comfort but also ensures a snug fit. The rollerblades incorporate an easy closure system comprising buckles, laces, and a strap, which enables users to secure their feet firmly in place, enhancing both safety and control during skating sessions. Number 2. Rollerblade Zetrablade. The Rollerblade Zetrablade is an entry-level rollerblade designed for casual and novice skaters, particularly targeted towards men seeking a comfortable and secure skating experience at an affordable price point. This rollerblade model emphasizes ease of use and stability to facilitate the learning process for those new to inline skating. One of the standout features of the Rollerblade Zetrablade is its high cuff, which provides added support to the skater. This design element is especially helpful for beginners as it contributes to the overall stability of the skate, making it easier for individuals to maintain their balance while learning to skate. The skate's construction includes a durable shell that not only adds to its longevity but also aids in the learning process. The shell's durability contributes to the rollerblade's ability to withstand the inevitable bumps and falls that come with learning to skate, ensuring that the skater's investment is well protected. Number 3. Atom Luigino Strut Inline Skate Package. The Atom Luigino Strut Inline Skate Package offers a combination of performance and customization to inline skaters of various skill levels. The centerpiece of this package is the Luigino Strut Boot, known for its comfortable fit and advanced features that enhance skating experience. One notable aspect is the ability to choose from a variety of colors, allowing skaters to personalize their gear to match their style. The package includes the Striker Mark II frame, which adds stability and precision to the skates. This frame is designed to handle different types of skating activities, from casual cruising to more aggressive maneuvers. Its construction contributes to an improved skating experience by providing a solid foundation and responsive handling. Equipped with Atom Matrix wheels, the Luigino Strut package ensures a smooth and efficient ride. Atom Matrix wheels are known for their high-quality urethane material that offers a good balance of grip and durability. This contributes to a comfortable skating experience across various surfaces, whether indoors or outdoors. Number 4. K2 Skate Trio LT100 Men's. The K2 Skate Trio LT100 Men's is a high-performance inline skate designed for men who are passionate about speed skating and looking for a thrilling experience on wheels. This skate model incorporates several features that contribute to its exceptional performance and comfort. One of the standout features is the speed lacing system, which allows users to secure the skates with a single pull. This feature not only simplifies the process of putting on and taking off the skates but also ensures a snug and customized fit, enhancing overall comfort and control during skating sessions. The skate's frame is constructed from stamped aluminum, a material known for its responsiveness, stiffness, and durability. This aluminum frame is engineered to provide excellent acceleration and speed, making it well suited for skaters who want to push their limits and achieve higher velocities.